What's up, everybody? Georgia Farming and Flu Vlog. Let's talk about growing peaches in the backyard. So when you live in the South and you're dealing with hot, humid weather all the time, it's amazing for growth. I mean, this thing is less than 5 years old, and it's just, I mean, I can't even zoom out to show you this entire peach tree, just how rapidly it grows. I've already talked about how this is the fastest growing kind of fruit tree that you want to buy and grow. But look at this. Beautiful peaches up here, just amazing. They're getting even bigger and bigger. But I wanted to talk to you guys about one of the most common things that you're going to see when you're growing peaches in the South, and it's this right here. It's these little black dots on your peaches, and so what this is it's a fungus called peach scab, and it's very common. Don't worry about it. It's easy to get rid of. It's better to prevent it. So what you're gonna do is really just about any fungicide that you can buy for fruit trees, peach trees, etc. will take care of this. It's a very common fungus. What you wanna do is you wanna start spraying them very early on, like right when they start flowering and initially start budding. And you're gonna do that weekly all the way up until about a month before you harvest them. So for this particular peach tree, you harvest them right now around like mid-June or so. So you want to kind of spray all the way from January, February, kind of weekly, bi-weekly through about end of April, beginning of May. It gives you about a month, 40 days before you actually harvest them. And what that'll do is actually prevent the fungicide, and it's spread by like water and wind and like mist sort of thing. So it's really a lot worse when it's humid out. So you'll actually notice that the ones higher up on the tree, like right here, really don't have any issues at all. But then ones that kind of hang down underneath like other branches where there's other peaches up here are the ones that are gonna have the most damage. Again, don't worry about it too much. So even if you have peach scab, which I do, this year I've decided just to grow these specifically just for letting the squirrels eat them. So I'm not putting any nets on them or trying to save them or eat them myself. I pick an occasional one and eat it. But all you have to do is just peel the outer skin off. The fungus actually doesn't go inside the peach itself, and so it's not that bad. And I've actually even eaten it with the dots on the outside, so it's really not a worry at all. When you spray it and you kill the fungicide, it still leaves the dots on them, and so they continue to be healthy. You can eat them. You can not worry about it. It's not going to hurt you in any way. It's just unattractive, and it may cause them not to grow as big as you want. But I just want to give this video to you guys just because people see it and you freak out. You think it's a lot worse than it actually is, but it's not that bad. Just go get some spray from Amazon, local Home Depot, Lowe's, anything like that. You'll be able to treat it. But next year, make sure to prevent it before it even happens, and it'll be a whole lot better. But hope this helps you guys. I love growing the peaches. This is my second. This is the Red Haven peach tree. It's about a month behind the Belle of Georgia over here. So these are just now starting to get to a size where they'll start ripening up. As you can see, there's a little bit of peach scab on some of these, but not nearly as bad as the Belle of Georgia over here. But again, the squirrels love it either way, and so I'm not really worried about it, and won't just be spraying them just to spray. But there's still some good ones in here that I can grab without anything. So thanks for watching, everyone. Hit that subscribe button to learn more, and check out my channel for tips and tricks about growing everything from peaches all the way up to all these bananas and everything too. Have a good one.